Happy Sunday morning, everyone. I just want to capture these birds here like wild parrots, and normally they fly in pairs and they're on this tree up there, right? And normally they make this kind of ruction every morning, so I just want you to hear them. I see a bit of them flying. I can't zoom in anymore, but at least you could hear them. Yeah, that tree there. And there are also some really cool birds I've seen on the trees around this area, but unfortunately I haven't been able to get the opportunity to get them. You know how birds are, and then you get any close, they fly away. I've seen some like with a yellow beak, and the body of the feathers on their body are black. I don't know the name of those birds. Oh, I made a mistake. The one I was telling you about is not, the beaks are not yellow. It's the tip of their tails are yellow. And the other part of their bodies are black, with the feathers on their body are black. So apparently these parrots go through a routine in the morning and in the evening. There was one morning I heard a big ruction, and I had to go out to see what's going on. There was, oops. Yeah, there was one ruction. I had to go outside to see what's going on with these birds, They were really making a bunch of noise, doing their thing. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. I think they've gone their way. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.